Hey there, welcome back. So in this video we will proceed further, and in our last video we have coded this particular program, and if we execute this program then definitely here is our sweet and simple output. Now using this particular program we are setting all the custom values for the properties using one single statement, but when it comes to printing out all of these values we require multiple statements. Now this is not cool. Let us get rid of all of these statements and let us try to print the object directly. So let me do this and let me try to print this. Now as soon as we print the object directly, it will give us some weird text which is not understandable by us. Now what happens in the background is whenever we try to print an object, the toString method of the object would be called by default. Now the unique thing about toString method is that we can override this very easily. So let us do that. In here I will right click. Note that we are in this bike.java file. I will highlight this particular file, right click, navigate to source, and we will click on this option, generate toString method. Now in here it is showing us this option of fields. Let us get rid of this and we will traverse this two trees, and we will first of all try to print the value which we receive from get handle method, and we will also try to receive the value which we get from the inherited methods. So let us do that. Now in here we don't require the method toString, so let us get rid of it. We don't require hash code, we don't require get class. We simply require these methods which are custom methods and which we have created. Alright, so let us click on OK. And here is our toString method. Now if we execute this program, the output would be much better, and here is the output. So we can get the information that the handle is long, engine is diesel, wheels are 4, seats are 5, fuel tank capacity is 40, and light is LED light. So this is definitely good. And in here whenever we make use of this custom toString method, always remember that we need to return the string, and that string would be printed on the console. Alright, so this was it. Now moving forward, there is a small little homework for you. Do the same type of mechanism, do the same type of convention, try to play with these objects and these classes and try to code the car.java class and truck class. So try to add the constructors, try to add the setters, getters, and try to reproduce what we have did in our bike class, and that will definitely help you out to understand more with inheritance. So in our next video we will proceed further, and till then take care and have a nice day.